New construction home will be ready early December. Close to Navy Base Norfolk and Little Creek. Minutes to the bay and 1 to 64. Open floor plan. Kitchen includes upgraded white shaker cabinets, soft close drawers and doors, West/Granite Tops, stainless steel dishwasher, stove and microwave plus a pantry. Vaulted ceiling in the primary bedrooms, West/private ensuite bath, LG tiled shower and double bowl vanity, West/Granite Top. Beautiful LVP flooring throughout the downstairs, all bathrooms, and upstairs laundry room. Plush carpet on the stairs, upper hall and all bedrooms. Fenced-in yard. 2-car garage door opener and generator plug also included. Don't miss this beautiful home. Builder offering CCA West/use of preferred settlement company.